So hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget that it's your girl, Memi Girls. Okay y'all, so today is just going to be, I'm going to do my makeup girl. That's it. I have a few new products that I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm going to tell you guys that I have already done my base and I have already done my eyebrows and I even put on a little lip gloss. So let me show you what I actually applied to my face. So of course I use my Fenty Skin. This is the best, okay? This is the Soft Lit Natural Luminous. This is in the shade 330. Girl, I love this stuff, okay? Then I went in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Yeah, Shape Tape Creamy. This is a concealer. I love this concealer. This is like my second time probably using this stuff, and I feel like it's good. And I feel like it's full coverage to me. So that's the reason why I like this. Then, of course, I went in to bronze my face up with this Essence Baby Got Bronze. This is in the shade, girl, Mocha Me Crazy. Love that. That's so cute. I'm gonna show y'all, what shade is this? Oh, the Shape Tape is in the shade Tan Sand. Forgot to tell y'all. Subtle. It's a very subtle bronze, but I like that about it. And it does have like it's very moisturizing too, I would say that. So then I set my face with the Fit Me Matte Pore powder. This is a Maybelline powder. This is in the shade 330, which is Toffee Caramel. Love this stuff. Been using this stuff for years. Then to set my bronze, I went in with the Kat Von D. Y'all know this is my favorite freaking palette ever for your face. I use the darkest shade, of course, and then on the highlighted areas, I did go in with that middle shade. So I used the darkest shade, and then I went in with the middle shade. Sorry, y'all, that light is crazy. But yeah, so that's what I use for my face. And then I did do my brows already too. I went in with this LA Color brow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. And did my brows. My brows are looking really good. I really like my brows. And then I set them with this 24-hour brow setter by Benefits. Love this also. Okay, I've been using this for years too. I do have on a lip plumper. Y'all know I love me a lip plumper. I'm the girl that has to have a freaking lip plumper on her lips. Sorry, that's just me. So I am going to go in with this lip liner Stay In. This is in the shade, girl, Clover. So this is 5. You can purchase this on Amazon. That's where I got mine from. Just going to outline my lips. Okay, and now we sit and wait for that to dry. This is actually my second time using this. The first time I didn't apply enough, so you do have to apply a generous amount on your lips for it to actually peel off. So yeah. So I did get this. Oh, my lips are sticky. I did get this LA Colors, this shimmer highlight. This is going to be in the shade Shine Bright. That's really pretty. This Kat Von D color, that deepest shade, and just apply like right in there. Blush me, say that you'll blush me. I'm gonna go into this LA Colors. This is in the shade Berry Plum. Just for like a little hint of color. So I'm just gonna apply this highlight like right on top of her. Blinded by the light. A little bit on my nose. A little bit on the bridge. Ooh, that's pretty. Then just a tad bit up there too. Just to blend that out. Oh, I look so cute. Ignore these lips, girl. I do want to try these, so I'm about to apply these. They have like a black coating on them that's very sticky. Don't tell me this is gonna be my new best thing. A little bit more fullness. Girl. Oh, I like that. Can y'all see the difference in this eye? This eye. So 3 is good enough because I only have 3 for that side. Girl. Who gonna stop me? That is cute. Okay, it's not a big difference, but it still wake me up. It's like I'm up and I'm in bed. Ooh. I know what I'm wearing to the Beyonce concert now. Because that was not that hard. I'll let y'all know how they last, so I like them. I'm getting some more of those, definitely. So now these lips, because I think they're coming off. This NYX lip liner. Y'all, I've been saying NYX. I know it's NYX, but I'll be messing up, so. Line them. It's really light. Anyway, so I shouldn't have to line my lips though. So let's go in with this butter gloss. This is in the shade BLG14. This is a NYX product too. This is a shade that Nakia uses too. Oh yeah, I like that. That's really nice. This has become my favorite freaking lip gloss. I love her. I'm getting more. I'm definitely getting more. This e.l.f. lip gloss. This is in the shade Crystal Baller. Cause she boiling. This is my favorite shade. And it's kind of minty too. I didn't notice that. All right. Oh, I look so freaking pretty. Okay. So this is the look. Let me show y'all the eyelashes. Looks so freaking cute. I think this is a pretty look. Very subtle, very natural, very cutesy. Okay, y'all, I forgot to show y'all my outfit because this is supposed to be a get ready with me. So the earrings I have on are from Amazon. The necklace is from Amazon. The jewelry, the focus. The jewelry is from Shein. And then I am going to be wearing my glasses. And these glasses are from Amazon. That highlight is busting though. Okay, and now I'm going to show you guys the whole outfit. So hold up, girl. So now let me show you guys the outfit. So the shirt is customized, so I can't tell y'all where I got that from. The jeans are from Amazon, y'all. These jeans are super cute. These jeans are in large. I actually could have got a medium, but this is the back of them. The purse, of course, is my Jessica Tall on my shoulder. I got Jessica Tall. I ain't got nothing in here right now, but I'll put some stuff in there. And then I have on my Sambas, which y'all already know everything about Sambas. So yeah, so this is the look. It came together really well. I love it. Leave me a heart if you made it this far, because I want to see who actually made it this far in the video. Go ahead and leave me a heart. Tell me how you guys feel about the outfit. Like a 1 through 10. 10 being you loved it, a 1 being you didn't like it too much. So go ahead and leave that. So this is the end of the video officially. I thank you guys so much for watching. You know I appreciate each and every one of you. Until the next time, I'll see you guys later. Y'all, this purse though, Jessica Tall on my shoulder, and these glasses. Anyways, I love y'all. Bye.